Hello, my Lemon. So today I'll be teaching you another fraction algebra maths question. So in a bakery shop, the weight in G of a cupcake is half of the weight of a donut. The weight of the donut is 2G heavier than 3 times the weight of a brownie. The average weight of the cupcake and donut is equal to the weight of 2.5 pieces of brownies. What are their weights? So we weren't given clues about the brown's weight, so we just write X. And sorry for the spelling mistake. You just have to bear with it. I forgot to change it. So the weight of the donut is 2G heavier than 3 times the weight of a brownie. So X is a brownie, so 3X and then plus 2. Cupcake is half of the weight of a donut, so this, let me just, this is a fraction. So now we need to figure out by using an equation. So it says we have to use the average weight of the cupcake and donut to the weight of 2.5 pieces of brownies. So we have to do the average, but if you don't know what average is, so imagine we got 1, 2, and 3. We got these numbers. So then we have to add them together, put them in brackets, like they're in jail, and then divide it by how many numbers there are, and then it equals something. The average weight of the cupcake and donut. The cupcake and donut are these two guys. They're being put in pastry jail right now. So 3x plus 2 over 2, then plus 3x plus 2. There. So I'm gonna close the door behind them in jail, then divided by 2, and then it equals 2.5 pieces of brownies, so 2.5x. Now we just have to do some little algebra. So we can do with the divided by 2 outside the bracket first. We needed to take out the guards to escape from the jail. So 3x plus 2 over 2, and then everything is the same. Then equals 2.5x times 2 equals 5x. We can deal with the stuff in the brackets. So 3x plus 2 can be moved over to the 5x place. So we'll just leave this alone. This one's not going to be free until the end. Then equals 5x minus 3x minus 2. 5x minus 3 equals 2x, then it's just 2x minus 2. We can now deal with the stuff inside brackets because these are really, really bad guys. So 3x plus 2, we can't do that. So let's just, I'm just going to write it down to help me think. So if this equals minus 2x minus 2, we can get the divided by 2 over to the other side, so then that equals times 2. I'm just going to make a new thing. Then equals 2x minus 2 times 2. And we have to do this. We have to put the guards in a little sleepy bed. If this is outside of this whole thing, we have to times everyone in the house. We just do the same here. Then it equals 2x times 2 equals 4x. Then 2 times 2 equals 4. So it's like that. this little sign means times because x and times looks the same. 4x minus 4. So now we have to do a little moving around again. 2 equals 4x minus 3x. Oops. Then minus 4. Just 2 equals, so 4x minus 3x equals x, so x minus 4. And now we can move the minus 4 over to the 2 place. So 4 minus 2, then, plus, equals x. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. So then 6 equals x. And the brownie's weight is x. So, and x equals 6. So it equals 6. G. I forgot. So then the donut's weight is 6 times 3, which equals 18, then plus 2. That equals 20 grams. Then the cupcake's weight is 20 divided by 2. That equals 10. So the cupcake's weight is 10 grams. Then the donut's weight is 20 grams. And the brownie's weight is 6 grams. So I'm going to summarize the whole question with the answer in it. So in a bakery shop, the weight in G of a cupcake is half of the weight of a donut. The weight of the donut is 2G heavier than 3 times the weight of a brownie. The average weight of the cupcake and donut is equal to the weight of 2.5 pieces of brownies. The cupcake's weight is 10 grams, the donut's weight is 20 grams, and the brownie's weight is 6 grams. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something, and I hope you like and subscribe.